This week on Nation's Business, we bring to you more highlights of government's development programs and assistance in the Northern Division in its commitment to moving the country forward. Moving the country forward, government has made some bold vision for our beloved country. One of these visions is the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Initiative for Deserving Entrepreneurs. This initiative helps build the nation and betters the lives of the recipients and those around the community. Earlier this year, the Prime Minister was in Sao Sabu, the hidden paradise of Fiji, to disburse another round of micro and small business grants of $1,000 to 760 male and female entrepreneurs.
Since 2015, our micro and small business grant scheme has rewarded and strengthened those same values that have made our economy the strongest and most successful it has ever been. Every day, 5,853 grant recipients since 2015 are helping build our nation. They are bettering their lives and the lives of those around them. Because when Fijian businesses do well, Fiji does well. When Fijian businesses grow and expand, so does the Fijian economy. When our businesses hire more people, they pass on valuable skills. They combat poverty, and they raise the living standards for every Fijian. And that is what the Micro and Small Business Scheme is all about.
This grant assistance scheme is part of government's initiatives to boost entrepreneurship in Fiji. During the 2016-2017 budget allocation, $11.1 million was allocated to welcome new applicants to the scheme and to also help recover the businesses of those who were affected by TC Winston.
At this point, I thank the government of India as they have contributed $4.7 million to this total. I have been advised that approximately 22,000 applications were received, of which 11,000 were assessed as successful and will be, as you've heard, rolled out later this year after the joint validation exercise by the Ministry of Trade, Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism, and the Fiji Development Bank. In addition to the grants assistance scheme, my government is in the process of strengthening the mechanisms that provide mentoring, guidance, and that build capacity of our recipients. This is through the creation of the National MSME Council, which I will soon chair. The Council will strengthen and streamline the delivery of all MSME programs through a central coordinating agency that will ensure our entrepreneurs receive the highest quality services possible.
The $1,000 grant can only be used to purchase materials that have been identified by successful recipient to start or expand their business. As their business will grow, it would build wealth and contribute to the economic success of the Northern Division.
To our recipients here today, let me also say this. My government believes in you. That's why we're giving you this grant. We believe in your vision and we believe in your potential. We believe that the only thing standing between you and greater success is the opportunity to do well. And that is what these grants bring to you, opportunity. The opportunity to take your business to the next level and to find God's blessing through your own diligence.
When government first launched this program, the response from the Fijian people was unprecedented. government has been working hard to reach all approved recipients throughout the country.
You, along with all of our recipients, have the faith of my government and your fellow Fijians. Let me reassure you that my government's commitment doesn't end with this handover. We will be with you every step of the way on your journey to success. Our commitment continues through the supportive programs that will be rolled out by the MSME Council, and I can only encourage each of our recipients to take full advantage of the current services and those that will become available later in 2017.
From the disbursement of SME grant, the Honorable Prime Minister handed over a boat and engine for the village of Naweni. The handing over was made successful following a request by the people of Naweni to the Honorable Prime Minister in 2016. Having the village situated by the coast and the marine resources that are available, the Prime Minister believed the boat and engine will be used to generate income for the villagers. This government assistance, which cost $19,360, is part of the commitment that government had made during the visit to Naweni after TC Winston.